Hello all, my name is Samriddhi Jain. Today I am going to show you all how we can make buttermilk using this electric mixer. For that I have used an ice cream stick, pen, jar, DC motor and battery. On one end of this pen I have placed this ice cream stick and the other end of this pen is connected to the DC motor. Let's see how it works. For that, I am putting curd and water in this jar. Now I will connect this battery to this DC motor. Now I will start the switch. Our buttermilk is ready.